In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecraft on a journey to the outer reaches of our solar system. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were part of a twin program, and their primary mission was to study Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Voyager 2 was the first spacecraft to visit all 4 of these planets. Along the way, it sent back stunning images of these distant worlds, as well as valuable data about their atmospheres, rings, and moons. However, on July 21, 2023, NASA lost contact with Voyager 2. But what caused Voyager 2 to lose contact? Is Voyager 2 still operational? Finally, and most importantly, what methods will NASA use to re-establish contact with Voyager 2? On July 21st, controllers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory lost contact with Voyager 2, the iconic spacecraft that has been exploring the outer reaches of our solar system for over 46 years. It is currently about 20 billion kilometers away from Earth. To communicate with Earth, Voyager 2 uses a high-gain antenna that must be pointed precisely at our planet. However, on July 21, 2023, a series of commands sent by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory caused Voyager 2 to lose its alignment with Earth by 2 degrees. This means that the data that Voyager 2 is transmitting cannot be received by the ground stations on Earth. Voyager 2 is not in any danger, and it is still functioning normally. It has an onboard system that automatically corrects its orientation every few months to maintain contact with Earth. The next correction is scheduled for October 15, 2023, so until then, Voyager 2 will not be able to communicate with us. However, recently, on July 31, 2023, the Deep Space Network, DSN, reported that it had detected a carrier signal from Voyager 2. A carrier signal is a basic radio signal that indicates that a spacecraft is operational and ready to communicate. However, the signal from Voyager 2 was too weak to carry any data or commands. This means that Voyager 2 is still broadcasting, but it cannot send or receive any information until it restores its alignment with Earth. This is not the first time that Voyager 2 has experienced a communication blackout. In fact, it has happened twice before, in 1998 and 2010, and both times the spacecraft recovered successfully. The loss of contact in 1998 was caused by a glitch in the spacecraft's computer. This glitch caused the spacecraft to lose its orientation, which prevented it from sending or receiving signals. Engineers were able to restore contact with Voyager 2 by reorienting the spacecraft. On November 20, 2010, contact was lost with Voyager 2 for about 7 months. The loss of contact was caused by a combination of factors, including the spacecraft's increasing distance from Earth and the degradation of its radio antenna. The increasing distance from Earth meant that it took longer for signals to travel between Voyager 2 and Earth. The degradation of the radio antenna meant that the spacecraft was not as efficient at sending and receiving signals. Engineers were able to restore contact with Voyager 2 by using a different radio antenna and by adjusting the spacecraft's orientation. In both cases, the loss of contact with Voyager 2 was a brief event. However, it highlighted the challenges of maintaining contact with spacecraft that are so far away from Earth. As of today, August 4, 2023, we still have contact with Voyager 2. However, the spacecraft is now so far away from Earth that it takes about 19 hours for a signal to travel between the two. This means that it can take several days for us to receive data from Voyager 2. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing it with your friends. See you in the next video.